If Jupiter and Neptune collided, it would be a catastrophic event for the solar system. The collision would result in the release of a large amount of energy in the form of heat, light, and radiation. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, with a mass that is more than 300 times that of Earth. Neptune is the fourth largest planet and has a mass that is 17 times that of Earth. The combined mass of both planets would result in a massive release of gravitational energy upon collision. The collision would also likely result in the creation of a new, larger planet. However, the new planet would be extremely hot and unstable and would likely break apart over time. The effects of the collision would not be limited to just the two planets involved. The rest of the solar system would also be affected. For example, the collision could disrupt the orbits of other planets and possibly even trigger the ejection of some planets from the solar system. Additionally, the collision would result in the emission of a large amount of debris, including asteroids and comets, which could pose a danger to any remaining planets and potentially even to life on those planets. The exact outcome of the collision would depend on a number of factors, including the exact trajectory and relative velocity of the two planets, as well as their internal structures. A collision between two gas giants like Jupiter and Neptune would result in a massive release of gas and dust, creating a cloud that could take thousands of years to dissipate. The intense heat and pressure generated by the collision could result in the formation of new elements and compounds, including heavy elements like gold, silver, and platinum. The gravitational impact of the collision could also have significant effects on the outer solar system, including the Kuiper Belt and the Oort Cloud. The Kuiper Belt is a region beyond the orbit of Neptune that contains many small, icy objects, while the Oort Cloud is a distant spherical cloud of icy objects that is thought to be the source of many comets. The collision could also result in a significant increase in the number of asteroids and comets in the solar system, which could pose a threat to life on Earth and other planets in the future. Overall, a collision between Jupiter and Neptune would be a massive event with far-reaching consequences for the entire solar system. While the exact outcome would be difficult to predict, it is clear that such an event would have a significant impact on the solar system and on life within it.